Imagine a factory with all its machinery, processes, and assembly lines. Now imagine having access to data for every activity that takes place within the factory, and then using that data to make real-time decisions that save time and money. It's all possible with a digital factory. A digital factory is a network of intelligent models that represents everything in the physical factory: the product, the HVAC, the machinery systems, the building structure, and even the supply chain. A true digital factory helps manufacturers plan, build, manage, optimize, and maintain a physical factory, as well as the goods produced in it. A digital factory also lets manufacturers adapt to changes as needs shift. Digital factories can simulate and run real-world environments to help manufacturers predict the impact of a change downstream, say a product modification or an increase in production, and adjust the process before production begins. Digital factories also help team members from different disciplines, as well as external vendors and suppliers, understand the bigger picture so they collaborate more efficiently. But how does a digital factory give manufacturers these kinds of insights and enable this kind of collaboration? The answer is data. Data is key to the digital factory, and the more data manufacturers have, the more agile they can be. The future of manufacturing is a world where operation times are reduced, costs are minimized, delays are avoided, and market trends are responded to immediately. In an age defined by trade concerns and mounting economic insecurity, manufacturers need to be prepared to adapt to the changing environment to sustain their future. Digital factories aren't just revolutionizing manufacturing, they are revolutionizing the future.